The 10 most beautiful water dams in the world. Water dams are not just concrete masses that hold water in one place. Many times they are also impressive.
I will show you 10 water dams around the world that really deserve attention. Number 10. Klong Do Den Dam in Thailand. The construction of this spectacular water dam was complete in 2005. The dam is 93 meters high, 2,720 meters long and holds the first place in the consumption of concrete for its construction. A total of 5.5 million cubic meters of compacted concrete. The dam was primarily designed for irrigation in the Nakhon Nayak River area. Behind the dam, there is a small park where you can observe the surrounding beautiful scenery.
Number 9. Monticello Dam, California in USA. Frerata Monticello is located in Napa County, California, United States. It was built between 1953 and 1957. It is a concrete-filled dam with a construction height of 93 meters, situated on the Beta Creek. Water from the reservoir mainly supplies agriculture in the surrounding areas. However, the dam is popular especially for its well-known uncontrolled funnel-shaped fall, which the locals call the Glory Hole. The dam was built in 1983. It also supplies electricity to San Francisco. Number 8. Scaris Kansas Quills. The dam with the unusual name of Scaris Kansas Quills was named until 2050 as the Care Dam by the president of the power plant that built it. However, as it stands in an Indian reservation, individual tribes bought the entire power plant over time and renamed the dam. The Concrete Dam is located on the Platte River in Montana and was built between 1903 and 1938. It serves not only to produce hydroelectric energy but also to irrigation and irrigation. 7. Gordon Dam, Tasmania in Australia. The Gordon Water Dam is a large arch dam with double curvature and controlled overflow located on the Garden River in southeastern Tasmania, Australia. It was built between 1974 and 1978. In addition to being the highest water dam in Tasmania, it is also the fifth highest dam across Australia. The Garden Dam serves hydroelectric power produced by a power station located beneath the dam. With 100% retained water capacity, the impressive dam creates the largest lake in Australia named Garden. Number 6. Hoover Dam, Nevada in USA. The concrete arc the Colorado River in the United States is also known as the Hoover Dam. It lies at the border of Arizona and Nevada. It is 220 meters high, the second highest in the US, and 379 meters long. The dam lake is 185 kilometers long and 180 meters deep. This work is named after President Hoover, who let it build in the 1930s. The dam serves to generate electricity because of the fast floods in the Colorado River. The construction of this dam was also a necessity for the area. Number 5. Roseland Dam in France. Surrounded by mountains, Roseland Dam is located east of the Beaufort Chamber in the Save Valley in the Rhône Alps region of southern France. It was built between 1955 and 1962. The reservoir was filled in 1960 and the plant has been in operation since 1961. The main purpose is to produce hydroelectric power. Roseland Dam is particularly impressive because it offers beautiful views of the surrounding countryside. Number 4. Ataturk Dam in Turkey. Ataturk Dam was originally called Karababa. It is a stone dam that organized on the Euphrates River in the Turkish southwest Anatolia region. It was built to generate electricity and to irrigate flat areas throughout the region. The dam was built between 1983 and 1990 and became the third largest in the world. Number 3. Contra Dam in Switzerland. The Contra Dam is located on the Berchtesgaden River in Ticino, Switzerland. The dam forms the Lake Wegenau and supports the Berchtesgaden hydroelectric power station. The dam was built between 1961 and 1965 and is the fourth largest in Switzerland. It is especially famous for the Golden Eye Bond movie and is become a favorite place for bungee jumping enthusiasts. Number 2. Vidraru Dam in Romania. Vidraru Dam is located in Romania on the Arch River. It was completed in 1966, creating a lake of the same name. The dike has an arch shape and its primary purpose is the production of electricity. It is 166 meters high. The arc is 305 meters long. The circumference is up to 28 kilometers long. Vidraru Dam also offers breathtaking views of the surrounding countryside. Number 1. Meserweiden Dam in Austria. The town of Kaufern, located in the Federal Republic of Salzburg, with the surrounding Alps, is one of the famous and sought after locations. In addition, the Meserweiden Water Dam is located in the Kaufern Tal Valley, located at 2036 miles and consists of two hog dam walls dividing the Hohenberg Mountains. The dam was built between 1947 and 1955 and serves to generate electricity.